Netflix extra member, how to add. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can add extra members in Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So the extra member feature is not yet available in my region yet, but if it is already available in your region, then you can also simply find it by coming to netflix.com and logging into your account, tapping on the three lines option and going to the option that says account. Then once you come to the account option, over here you'll find the option to actually add an extra member, and tap on the buy option to actually order an extra member. And once you've done that, you'll be able to add extra member. But as I said, this feature is only available in some areas, so if it is not available in your region like me, then you'll have to simply wait until it is available. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.